Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavin's Way. Today I'm going to make a sabji out of musk melon. This musk melon is not ripe, it's raw. So I thought of making sabji out of it. For that I have taken this half portion of musk melon, chopped in big chunks, one medium size onion chopped, oil. Here is half teaspoon jaggery, salt, half teaspoon dhania powder, and quarter teaspoon chili powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and half teaspoon sabji masala, quarter cup of fresh coconut I have taken. This sabji masala and coconut, the chili powder and the dhania powder, will mix everything and grind to a fine paste. The kadai is hot. We'll put 2 teaspoons of oil in it. In the tadka, we'll put little mustard seeds. When it crackles, we'll add little bit of cumin seeds. Curry leaves, if you want, you can add. When it crackles, add the onion. Saute the onion till it is translucent. The onion is translucent. I will add the musk melon pieces in it. Add the salt. Turmeric powder. Saute the same for a minute. Add little water, half cup of water. Bring this to boil. Then cover and cook till it is tender. This is cooked nicely. See, from this. You can put masala in this and serve for chapati, but I want little gravy. That's why I'm adding the coconut base in it, coconut masala in it. In this you can add green chili. This way also you can make this, and if you want you can add garlic. Now I'm adding the coconut paste in it. With little water. So I'm going to serve it for chapati. So if you want little gravy sabji, bring this to boil. Add the jaggery. It is ready now. Finally, we'll add little bit of cream in it, fresh cream. If you have malai at home, you can use that. I am using here the Amul cream. Make it a little spicy. It goes along with chapati, roti, paratha, etc. The sabji is ready. Finally garnish with coriander leaves. You can serve this along with chapati, roti, even with rice also it goes well. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.